Hey guys, back on YouTube. Look at this. Got curly hair, permed it with chemicals. And so today we're gonna head out of the country to Korea. Well, Philippines, but layovers in Korea. We're gonna go to the Philippines for a whole month. And I'm excited. And it's stressful. And it is 6:30 in the morning. Look at this gorgeous view outside of this empty room. And it's cold outside in LA. But I'm excited. And stuff's a mess. It's 8 a.m. and we're not stuck in traffic yet. Thank you, Michael, for driving us.
Welcome.
Yeah, Michael, you're on camera now.
So we're here at the airport, just finished checking in again because I did an online one. And now we're heading to the restroom because I need to piss and get some.
We in Korea now?
No, we're not. Boarding the plane now, and Peter left me behind over there. We've landed in Korea. Not the soul of Korea, but the side of it in the west, in Incheon. Yeah, because you left me. Just passed through customs, and now we're looking to put our baggages away because we don't want to explore Korea with these things. And now we're lost. We finally dropped our baggage off, and now we're off to the train station. Where's the first stop? Yeah.
We're gonna go to
So we're in Myeongdong Market area. I don't know where we are, but it's really bright and the food smells good. Pomegranate. Cheers. Incheon Airport, landed there, and then took the train, and then got lost around here. These are like 6 tries trying to go to the right place.
We got this, we got this.
Fighting. Just landed in Philippines and try to find our baggage now. Some Wi-Fi, etc. Now we're just waiting for the baggage to come out.